Everybody, this is Jay. Welcome to another product review, shoe review. For those who don't know, I'm a huge sneakerhead. My shoe collection is off the chain. I put it toe to toe with anybody, and I do mean anybody. Now, of course, my shoes and my feet always stay crispy because they don't touch the ground. Don't hate. Anyway, I got a new shoe review. Now, these are basically like Jordan 11s. They're the Jordan 11 Low CMFT. Okay, I'm guessing that stands for comfort. So these are dope. They was $120, which was a steal on Nike.com. And it's got the patent leather that we all know and love on the shoe. It's got a raised Jordan symbol right here in the hard plastic, whereas it's only a printed Jordan symbol right here, Jumpman, along the leather. And also, it has the patent leather, but it doesn't go all the way around the shoe. It's got a little nylon wrap on the side, and it tries to change it up just a bit. One of the things I like about the bottom is that it's got this little piece right here where you can touch the bottom of the shoe, and it seems that it actually provides a little extra comfort while you're moving and walking around and standing on your feet a lot. These, again, are on Nike.com for only $120. I think these was a steal, and I definitely had to pick up a pair of these. Also, one of the things that put the holes in the patent leather remind me of my car leather seats. I thought that was pretty dope. And also, hey, they mics. The tongue is cut in a unique way. It's not the full width of the tongue. It's actually just perfect amount of tongue to go right up the middle. Pun intended. Anyway, these are dope. 120 bucks. It's got the little pyramid right there in the toe, in the tip of the toe. The sole is not the clear sole that normally is on the 11s, but it is unique because it has the little hole in there, and it's got a little couple crevices and things. And then also it feels like it's fingerprints right here, and it also has a couple little contours inside the midsole, and it has the air in the back as well. And overall, these are a steal for $120. Now, at the time of me making this video, they are still available on Nike.com, so they are not, on the aftermarket, and the price hasn't jumped up yet. So if you got a chance, go ahead and snatch them up. Anyway, I'm up out of here. Check it out. I'm Jay. I hope you enjoyed that review. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please hit that like, subscribe, bang that bell, and I'll catch you on the next.